Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sync contacts on Android with Gmail account. So guys, at first go to your settings. Now swipe down and go to users and account. Now tap on Google. And now tap on the two doors icon in the right side of corner. And then just tap on sync now. Or you can check and uncheck the contacts by tapping. And guys, if you connect it with your internet, then it will automatically sync. So that's it, and that's how you can sync contact on Android with Gmail account very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.